Early Thursday morning commute. Here's Lauren.
Thanks, Chris. Let's talk about mass transit for Metro North commuters on the Port Jervis line. Port Jervis train service is suspended between Port Jervis and Otisville because of a water main break. So that's one spot, but substitute bus service, one stop rather. Substitute bus service will be provided between Middletown and Port Jervis. You will have train service out of Otisville. It's just between that the issue is. So something to keep in mind for the morning commute. We also have fast track maintenance out there on the A and the D, so no service overnight between 59th Street and 207th or Yankee Stadium. You could also take the free shuttle buses. That'll wrap up at 5 a.m. Other overnight track work out there affects 9 subway lines, and alternate side of the street parking rules are in effect today. We will have more weather and traffic coming up on the 4s.
Lauren, thanks so much. Well, today...
Thursday morning so far.
Thanks, Chris. In addition to all of the overnight track work and fast track maintenance I talked to you about, there are also delays on downtown F train. So something to keep in mind. And we'll talk about the roads. We'll take a live look outside at the Gowanus 6 Washington. Parking rules, they're in effect today. We'll have more weather and traffic ahead on the 4s.
Okay, Warren, thanks for Sunday, Monday washouts, but have a contingency plan if you have cookouts, just in case you have to get inside out of the rain from time to time.
Okay, just one of those removable to screen things on top, and you just grill right underneath it.
All right, okay. I was like, where are we going?
Yeah, I kept like, is it a hat?
I was like, what?
It's very complicated.
Oh, yeah.
There's a plan for everything. I'm a Boy Scout. Be prepared.
Yeah, I know. You're the best. Your Metro North commuters, we have a suspension on the Port Jervis line this morning. It's suspended between Port Jervis and Otisville, which is one stop, but that's...
Again, we'll answer that question in a little bit. Let's see how the commute's rolling along, though, at 4:30 on this Thursday morning. Lauren?
We have some spots where it's a little slow going. That's all due to road work, though. And we'll start with a live look outside at the Gowanus Expressway, where you do have southbound. So leave yourself some extra time. We'll have more weather and traffic coming up on the 4s.
Okay, Warren, thanks very much. New this morning.
The commute's rolling along.
It's rolling along nicely for most. You can see lots of green on the maps, but we do have some delays out there due to construction. So 95 southbound, we have it out there by Chatsworth Avenue. So here's what it looks like, just an exit further north by Fenimore Road. So that's on the southbound side. One lane is out, and we'll take a live look outside at the major expressway. Similar story for you. Heading over to your ride for now, because we know that will change. Alternate side of the street parking rules are in effect. We'll have your next weather and traffic update on the 4s.
Okay, rolling along, Lauren.
Thanks, Chris. Fast track maintenance on the A and the D, as well as overnight track work on the subways, has wrapped up, and your major commuter lines are operating on or close to schedule, with the exception of the Port Jervis line. You have a suspension because of a water main break between Port Jervis and Otisville. Substitute bus service will be provided, though, between Middletown and Port Jervis, and those buses will operate on the train schedule. So you will be able to get around, but it may take you a little bit longer today. Then heading over to the buses, just one bus route on detour in the city, the M104, and you have to move your car today. Alternate side of the street parking rules, they are in effect. We'll have your next weather and traffic update on the 4s.
To late afternoon. The good weather run continues for a little while longer. I'll let you know when it ends in just a little bit, but let's find out about the commute at 6:01. Here's Lauren with that.
Thanks, Chris. We have a few accidents out there, not too many, but they are causing delays. We'll start with one on the BQE westbound out by the Kosciuszko Bridge. You can see delays on the BQE. They're almost back to Queens Boulevard. It's also affecting the lower roadway of the LIE heading westbound, trying to get onto the BQE in this area. In addition to that, there's one on the Springbrook Parkway heading southbound before Tuckahoe Road.
The day of about 82 degrees. More good stuff coming our way next couple of days. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Let's see how the commute's rolling along at 6:31 on a Thursday. What's it look like, Mark?
It's a beautiful day, and it's not a cute commute at all. We have a lot of problems out there. An accident southbound on the Springbrook Parkway just cleared. That was north of Tuckahoe Road. So you could see some residual delays, but we still have major delays on the major Deegan heading southbound because of an accident by exit 9 Fordham Road. 2 lanes are blocked. You can see delays really almost back into Westchester County right now. So avoid the Deegan altogether. Bronx River Parkway, Henry Hudson Parkway moving along nicely there. Over on the BQE, delays are extensive as well. There's an accident westbound on the Kosciuszko Bridge, and really they're almost back to LaGuardia Airport. So again, another spot to avoid. We'll have more weather and traffic coming up on the 4s.
Okay, Lauren, thanks very much.